Hello, welcome to Blissful Spaces. If you're new to my channel, welcome. You're just in time because I'm sharing my mason jar hot cocoa bar with you. Yes, that's right. If you go back and check my preparedness playlist, I was gifted 30 mason jars, and some of the jars were antique, and I thought that was really special. I love antiques, and I decided instead of using half of those jars to can with, I decided to go ahead and fill them with some of my family's favorite treats. And right here you see I'm using the caramel bites, and I'm just filling the jar, and then I tie a little bow. I use a little bit of burlap ribbon, and I just tie a little bow. Feel free to use whatever you have at home. You could use yarn, string, ribbon, or not. You don't even have to add a bow, but this is what I did. And then peppermint. Yes, so I just kind of filled a couple of jars, and you can switch the jars out. Right now it's the fall season, but the holidays, if you celebrate Christmas like I do, then you have your jar with peppermint already ready, so when the season changes, you can just switch those jars out. So I just wanted to share how I did. I just fill the jars up. They've already been sanitized, fill them up, and I do add the lids, add the little bow, and then I just display them on the breakfast nook. So it's one of my favorite things to do this time of the year, and today's weather was perfect. It was actually like 58 degrees and cold. Yes, cold and rainy, and I actually love that type of weather. I hope you try this at home. I had so much fun in it, and like I said, it's something that you can get your kids involved to, filling the jars, or even shopping to see what are we going to fill the jars with, or just go through your pantries, all the treats that we've been saving for emergencies. I'm sure you have tons of little special little treats in there that you can fill your jars with. And again, if you don't have jars, you can use containers, or you can recycle your pasta jars, your spaghetti sauce jars. But be creative with it. So anyways, I'm just, I'll let you just view. I had fun with it. And at the end, I did turn the light down low so that you could kind of see the ambiance. So. And then in the little hot cocoa tin, I do have the individual hot cocoa bags, because I do know that we are in the middle of a pandemic, so you have your individual hot cocoa bags. But even though we are social distancing, this is for my immediate family during the holidays. And it's so much fun. You know, we can still keep some of our traditions. I'm keeping mine. So anyways, thank you so much for joining me today. And this is one of my DIYs, and it was so much fun. And it also just kind of, relaxes just to do something creative to get your mind off everything that's going on. Now, don't get me wrong, we take care of business, but you also have some downtime where you can be creative. So thank you for joining me. As always, stay loving, be kind, and I'll see you in my next video. Keep watching.